Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add VPN extensions to Google Chrome browser. So there are a lot of extensions available that you could use for this one. So what you need to do is to first open your Google Chrome and right after, click onto the three dots in here and click for extensions. So if you hover onto extension, you should be able to see the Visit Chrome Web Store. So we need to visit that, click onto that one, and to find in all of the VPN, you'll just need to go ahead and search that onto the search bar. So we highly recommend to use this VPN in here, which is the whole of VPN. Right after that, you'll get redirected here onto the search result. Click onto this one, the first option, the whole of VPN, and there should be an option for you to add this to Chrome. So you'll just need to wait for this one, click on to add extension, and wait for the VPN to be installed. So this should go ahead and show you over here if it is downloaded already. You'll just need to wait for that one to be done. So once it is downloaded, you should be able to see something like this. It will go ahead and welcome you to the VPN access. So you could access that one over here as well onto the extension icon onto the upper part. You could also pin that one here. And if you click onto that one, there should be options for you to go ahead and access the VPN already to change the different location that you have. So you could choose different locations in here that you could use. And that is just basically it on how to add a VPN extension to Google Chrome browser. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.